Hello, are you seeking for a toolbox? Why choose Toxic? There are 5 reasons. Firstly, for the black base, we use environmentally friendly paint and its anti-UV materials, so our products can last for 3 years without fading or peeling off the paint. For the chrome handle, we have polished the surface to give it a mirror effect. Secondly, we conducted waterproof tests and obtained a three-party test report IP65. Thirdly, the key of this lock has a rebound function. Fourthly, key number can be grouped as your request. Fifthly, the lock cylinders are replaceable. Now we are making the toolbox locks. Welcome your inquiry or give samples.